China wants to control the South China Sea within the 9-dash line. To control the South China Sea within the 9-dash line, they have to have air and naval bases in 3 areas. Sa Paracels, meron na sila ngayon sa Woody Island, no? Sa Spratlys, ang dami nilang naval base. 3 yung air and naval base nila. Subi Reef, Mischief Reef, at saka Fiery Cross Reef. Kulang sila sa northeast, dito sa area ng Scarborough. Butas yung kanilang coverage. If they want to control, they need an air and naval base sa Scarborough area para triangle yan. Makokontrol mo yung your missiles and your airplanes can cover the entire area within range of your air and naval bases. You need 3 air and naval bases para makover mo yung entire South China Sea. So, napaka-importante sa kanila yung Scarborough Shoal to control the South China Sea. At saka, yung Scarborough Shoal, malapit yan sa Bassey Channel. The Bassey Channel is the only outlet of China to the Pacific. Yung mga nuclear submarines nila based in Hainan, andun yung naka-berth yung nuclear submarines. Yung mga missiles nila in the nuclear submarines, if they fire the missiles in the South China Sea, hindi aabot sa US They have to go nearer. So lalabas sila ng South China Sea, papasok sila ng Pacific, dadaan sila sa Bassey Channel. Wala sila ibang dadaanan. So they need an air and naval base in Scarborough to protect their passage through the Bassey Channel. So napaka-importante magkaroon sila ng air and naval base sa northeast of area of the South China Sea, and that is the area where Scarborough Shoal is located.
Okay. Yung isa namang side of the coin, no? Why is it important for the Philippines not to yield Scarborough Shoal naman dito sa Chinese designs? Kasi binabanggit niyo yung strategic triangle.
Territory. No? That's our territory. Every state will defend its territory. Atin yan noon pa Wala namang question during the Spanish regime. Kasama yan sa mapa. During the American regime, sinabi ng Amerikano, part of Philippine territory yan. Ngayon na lang pumasok yung China kasi for China, they need to control Scarborough Shoal. They need to put an air and naval base there. So tayo naman, because it's ours, why will we give it up? At saka when you give up Scarborough Shoal, you give up the territorial sea. Yung territorial sea na yan, 12 nautical miles around the rock yan. Malaking area yan. That's as big as Metro Manila, yung territorial sea na yan. Parang gini-give up yung territorial sea, including all the fish, oil, and gas, and other mineral resources within that area. Napakalaki yan Bakit natin pamimigayan?
So in the meantime, walang karapatan ang China na sitahin tayo kung
wala talaga.
Tayo sa Scarborough.
They're just using force, might. Kaya hanggang sagot natin dyan, submit it to arbitration. Pag if you believe manalo ka, if you believe na you have the evidence, you have the title, ilaban ninyo sa arbitration.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na ito, paki-like at share na lang po para mas marami pang makakita at makapanood. Kung gusto niyo po makibalita, follow niyo na rin po ako sa aking mga social media accounts na nakasulat po sa screen. Pwede rin po kayo magpadala ng super thanks, super like, super chat at super sticker sa YouTube, saka Facebook stars po. Alam niyo po, malayo po mararating ito para makagawa pa po kami ng mas maraming video na makatutulong po sa pagpapakalat ng tamang impormasyon para sa bawat Pilipino. Kada like, subscribe, follow at share ay pagsuporta po sa tunay na independent journalism sa bansa. Maraming salamat po.